Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Ashok Belkhode sir, Dr. Sunita Lalwani madam, Ms. Diksha Dinde madam, and my dear friends. भारताच्या आयर्न लेडी भारतरत्न श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी यांची आज पुण्यतिथी. त्यांना विनम्र अभिवादन करून मी माझ्या भाषणाची सुरुवात करते. प्रियदर्शनी हे नाव GPAच्या लेडीज विंगला इंदिरा गांधीवरूनच ठेवण्याचा आम्ही हे घेतला होता. सो इट्स माय ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी प्रेझेंट हिअर ॲज अ GPA प्रियदर्शनी चेअरमॅन टू से अ फ्यू वर्ड्स. We have gathered here today to celebrate womanhood. Woman is the epitome of strength, love, sacrifice and courage. स्त्री थकत नाही, हरत नाही. स्त्री जरी हरली तरी रडत बसत नाही. ती धडपडते, मार्ग शोधते. स्त्री सतत कार्यमग्न असते. धारण करते, पोषण करते, जगते तशीच जगविते. स्त्री सतत कार्यमग्न असते. आपल्या प्रियदर्शनींनी आपण बघतोच सतत कार्यमग्न राहून पुढे जाण्याचा प्रयत्न करताना दिसतात. Now I would like to list a few activities conducted by Priyadarshini Wing under the guidance of our enthusiastic president, Dr. Rupa Agarwal. As you all are aware, COVID pandemic started early this year and there was utter chaos as a general practitioner we are supposed to do. Our GPA wing, Priyadarshini wing encouraged and motivated all the lady doctors to continue their clinics in spite of all the odd situations. Provided help by making PPE kit and other face shields and other facilities available at concessional rate, and that also door-to-door services were provided as moving out was very difficult during the lockdown period. Priyadarshini office bearers aired a 15 minutes FM radio talk about what precautions should be taken to prevent for the general public so that they can prevent themselves from getting corona infections. Blood donation program was successfully conducted where lady doctors outnumbered their male colleagues. I proudly say many female doctors came forward and donated blood in large numbers. Online prize distribution program was conducted to encourage students showing outstanding performances in academics, sports and other extracurricular activities. Dr. Sanjay Upadhyay's Jinklo Aise Mana won hearts of all. During Ganpati festival, Ganpati decoration, Gauri decoration competitions were conducted. Excellent responses from huge members of Priyadarshini and GPA doctors. We even conducted online Ukhana competition. It was really fun to dress up, wear nut and sit in front of your PC and not going out. But it was really fun and stress buster too. It was an encouragement to our Priyadarshini members who made their own self-made ukhanas and presented in a beautiful way. In the academics part, infertility update certificate course was carried out under the guidance of Dr. Amol Lumkad, Indira IVF, and COVID update as well as fever updates, differential diagnosis and many more, just to list a few. Present ongoing research project of GPA is to study the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on human psychology. The pilot study of the research project has been successfully done by Priyadarshini Wing. Today, we will be felicitating the Lady GPA of the Year award and the Navadurgas. Durga means Shakti. Goddess Durga is the goddess of strength and justice, who brings compassion, peace, calm and order to the chaos, destruction and conflicts in any situation. 6 leadership lessons Goddess Durga teaches us are fearless and inner strength. A fearless being can go on to take problems and situations. Multitasking. Multitasking not only saves time but keeps us mentally active. Our GPA president Dr. Rupa is the best example, I see. Vision. Big eyes are the symbol of wider vision. Adaptability. A very simple management lesson hidden here. Don a different hat for a different situation. And last but not the least, be your own strong link that binds millions of hearts. GPA Priyadarshini is flooded with Navadurgas. A big salute to all of you from my side. The great cartoonist Mr. R.K. Lakshman was once asked, why do you always create a common man and why not a common woman? He smiled and said, You see, women are never common. They are always. यत्तु नार्यः पूज्यन्ते तत्र देवताः रमन्ते. जेथे स्त्रीची पूजा केली जाते तेथेच देवता निवास करतात. With this, I would like to end my speech thanking our strong lady president, Dr. Rupa Agarwal, for all her help and guidance and giving me the opportunity to be a GPA chairman, for Priyadarshini chairman. I would like to thank our honorary chairman, Dr. Madhuri Zankar, for being with us as a strong pillar. Next, I would like to thank our charming little Bhagyashri Munot Mehta, who is always enthusiastic to carry out all the Priyadarshini activities. Next, I would like to express my sincere thanks to our secretaries, Vidyalata and Prerna and Anupama. My heartfelt thanks to all the Priyadarshini's who have actively taken part in all the Priyadarshini programs that makes the programs a greater success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my family members who have had to be more cooperative as all the maximum plannings done was from our home and online meetings. प्रियदर्शनी चेअरमनच्या या प्रवासात मला खूप काही शिकायला मिळाले आणि खूप काही अनुभव आले. एक आनंदाची गोष्ट म्हणजे मला जीवाभावाच्या मैत्रिणीही मिळाल्या. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. विश यू ऑल अ हेल्दी अँड सेफ लाईफ. स्टे सेफ, स्टे प्रोटेक्ट. थँक्यू.